And thank you to all of you for coming out today to help celebrate the 10th anniversary of the Bell-Forsyth Judicial District. And I just want to say briefly that I never met Judge Galt, but after listening to Miss Abernathy speak, he apparently had a big impact on my life as well, because Miss Abernathy went on to be my high school mock trial coach, and that experience encouraged me to go on to law school. So I'm thankful to Judge Galt for that. As you've all heard here today, the creation of the Bell-Forsyth Judicial Circuit was a momentous occasion for our county, and it stands as a symbol of the prosperity of this county. But along with that recognition and independence comes a great responsibility for our judges, our attorneys, and all of our county officials. For it is our responsibility to make sure that justice is done here in our county. Now, fortunately, we're very blessed. We've been very blessed with an outstanding bench and bar. Our judges have proven their dedication to giving each and every person that walked through the doors of this courthouse a meaningful and fair day in court, even when that means they have to sacrifice their own time to stay on the benches here in this courthouse until the wee hours of the night. But they do it, and we're very blessed to have them. Our county's also been very blessed with a strong bar association whose ranks are filled with bright, thoughtful attorneys who are dedicated to zealously representing their clients and presenting their cases to our fine judges in a manner consistent with our duties and responsibilities as officers to the many courts of this county, so that our judges in return can rule in accordance with fairness and justice. If there are any lawyers here today who are not members of our bar association, I would like to personally invite all of you to come out to our next meeting and get involved, so that we can carry on the proud tradition and precedent set in the first 10 years of the Bell-Forsyth Judicial Circuit. Our judges, sheriff, district attorney, solicitor general, clerk of court, and bar association have signed a resolution which I've been asked to read to you today. The Bell-Forsyth Judicial Circuit, Forsyth County, Georgia. We've signed a resolution to recognize and commend the history, creation, and 10th anniversary of the Bell-Forsyth Judicial District. Whereas Forsyth County, Georgia was originally created from Cherokee County on December 3rd, 1832 by an act of the General Assembly, becoming Georgia's 81st county. Whereas by December 1834, a courthouse had been built and by act incorporated into the town of Cumming and declared the permanent seat of justice for Forsyth County. Whereas in 1851, Forsyth County was designated as a member of the original 10 counties of the Blue Ridge Judicial Circuit. Whereas in 1973, the Judicial Council of Georgia was created and Forsyth County was included in the 9th Judicial Administrative District. Whereas on July 1998, the General Assembly approved Senate Bill 77, creating the Bell-Forsyth Judicial Circuit. Be it resolved that the judicial and legal leadership of the Bell-Forsyth Judicial Circuit, by this resolution, recognize the historic significance of the 10th anniversary of the creation of the Bell-Forsyth Judicial Circuit and the many individuals who contributed to the rich judicial history of Forsyth County, Georgia, and who have diligently worked to provide justice to its citizens of our fair state. Be it further resolved that this resolution is preserved and displayed in the Forsyth County Courthouse to commemorate this celebratory event. At this time, on behalf of all the signatories and in accordance with the resolution, I would like to present this resolution to our Chief Superior Court Judge, Jeffrey S. Bagley, so that he can display it in the courthouse. Judge Bagley. Okay, thank you again for coming out today. If you'll please stick around and enjoy each other's company and the food and refreshments in the tent over here, we can all get to know each other a little better. Thanks for coming out.